We're here in Graham, North Carolina at Dixon Farms. Going to be 58 head of these steers weighing 610. All these steers are double vaccinated. They're on the Select 45 program. These steers will be weighed on a truck with a 2 and a 5. Again, they've had Bovishield 1 shot, Bovishield Gold 5. They've been wormed with injectable ivermectin. No implants. I've had UltraPack 7 twice. All these steers were purchased as 300 pounders, 3 weights. Brought in here cut with a knife. Backgrounded. They're on grass, getting 10 pounds of silage a day. These calves would be just a thin flesh. 90% ones, 10% 1.5s. They are just thin flesh. These calves were great in the grass program, going into the grass program or in the feed yard, but they are only 58 of them, averaging 610. All these calves were purchased as 3 weights. Been on fescue grass, getting 10 pounds of corn silage a day with just a little bit of grain.